Bisaya. Biyan man mo pa.
Ang kadungay pa dali. Kaya handyo kini si Kuan. Si Father Dear.
So, hi mga fans ni Bisayang Kodaker'. Nagbiyaan na ako sa akong papa. Ay, nagkuhan pa na. Nag-alcohol pa sa... Anyways, ako day si Clyde. Kibaw na kung kailala dyan mo na ako. Kaya usay mga apil-apil dyan ko ni papa. Nga, paan kayo? Vloggerist kayo. So, short info lang sa about me. Pan ko, I'm still 14 and naibong lang kung anong mas taas pa kong papa. Wow! Sige, so ako mismo ang ni-volunteer na maghimo og new video para sa channel which is question and answer with me. Biyaan naman ko eh. Honestly, no. This is my first time speaking in front of a camera and I feel a bit, shy. Because of course, this is my first time. First-timers get shy and I think I might really find myself awkward when watching this video. Maybe this might be shocking to some boys there. It's K-pop. Yes, I admit I like K-pop so much that I'm slowly getting into it. Yes, I'm honest here. I stan a few K-pop groups, and even save their songs in my phone. Yes, I'm honest here. I'm totally honest. I like time travel. Gusto pa na ako balikan ang panahon nga kami pa. Wa may nadunggan ha, wa may nadunggan, charot. Honestly, I like time. I want to go back in time. It's my family. Your family must be your number one inspiration. Honestly, no. I can't stand a lot facing many flashes and cameras and whatsoever. But to tell you, I don't really want to become famous. I just want to stay simple here. Well, to tell you, many of you don't know this, but I'm an altar boy. Or here in the Philippines, we call it sacristan. Sacristan. So, honestly, I'm an altar boy for 2 years now. And those 2 years were very fruitful, but also hard. Because to tell you, being an altar boy is not really easy. And missing this serving in our parish because of this quarantine, because of this pandemic, maybe I miss it so much. honestly some quote bad habits because to tell you, I sometimes forget my slippers. I forget my slippers and sometimes maybe it would be quote embarrassing, but I don't know. First, learn to explore new things. Since if we just stick to the things that we only like, then maybe it might be a quite boring thing. So that's why explore new things. Second, learn new things. Learn new things. I tell you, my dad showed it in his vlogs. Like I learned how to do masonry, welding, and especially cooking with him. When you remember that we were grilling lechon belly, and to be honest, I like that time because to tell you, learning new things is the best. You will always be a student forever, whatever will happen on you. And third, and finally, enjoy the company because of your parents, because this time is precious, very precious. To tell you before, I really want to become a priest before, but now I feel I have different feelings now, and now I want to become a lawyer, or here in the Philippines, abogado. And to tell you, I will not stop even if I get that attorney in my name. Yes, yes, yes. That's why I want to help him by this video, this question and answer with me. And that's my way of showing support and also to gain subscribers and viewers. But yes, even though I'm feeling a bit shy right now, but knowing the fact that I am supporting my dad, I feel a bit confident. So yeah, support him. Say hi.